You know why? They accused me of being a home invader. They say somebody got a call that their house was getting broken in. When they put me in them cuffs, I told them I hope they find a home invader. Get me out these motherfucking cuffs. They had a chop on Boonk game last night. Hey, that shit was lit. They had a motherfucking chop on me. Hey, I was in the motherfucking spotlight. I was in the spotlight for the wrong motherfucking reason, but I don't. Hey, look, here they go. Here they go. The whole motherfucking force coming. Boonk gang got the helicopter on them. Look. Y'all see the motherfucking helicopter flying around me, right? Y'all see the helicopter flying around me, right? Boonk gang got the helicopter on them. Y'all see the motherfucking helicopter flying around me, right? Y'all see the helicopter flying around me, right? Look, it's about 10 police officers right there. They like put 10 police officers back there, and I got the helicopter flying up. Y'all, why they shining light on me? It's that Boonk gang shit, Let's get the party started. Let's get the party started. Oh, hey, I better be on the news. Man, they better have me on TV. Hey, man, y'all better have me on TV.
Oh, he's alive. It's on live.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Turn it off, man.